Hi, my name is Rich Glady. I head up the Lubricants division for VP Racing Fuels. I've been in the lubricant business for 38 years, and my career started with Kendall Oil, and I became vice president of a company called American Refining Group and created the Penn Grade 1 green oil line. Since joining VP 4 years ago, we've created an extensive line of racing oils, and one of the oils that we put into the line include our VP Assembly Lube. This is a superior product that has great clingability during the assembly process. It can be also used when the engine's being shipped out to particular locations. We put in a very stout base stock in this oil, plus we use zinc, phosphorus, and also moly to help stay on the engine parts itself. This is critical during the break-in process, and this oil gives you great clingability, and also it can be used with our break-in oil since it's miscible and you won't get any separation of the assembly lube from the break-in oil. If you have any questions concerning this product or any of our racing oils, feel free to call our tech service department.